Creating the perfect espresso shot is an art, and every barista, whether professional or home-based, knows the importance of precision in the process. Among the essential tools in your coffee-making arsenal is the Espresso Tamper. To help you make an informed decision, we've curated a list of the 5 best espresso tampers that combine functionality, durability, and style. Number 5. Delonghi DLSC 058 Coffee Tamper. About tea item. Experience the amazing flavor of a smooth and evenly grated tamp, which is the key to the perfect espresso drink. Calibrated to give the right pressure to ground coffee in the filter. Stainless steel base with natural wood handle, 51 mm diameter, suitable for all pump espresso machines. Number 4. Crema Coffee Products, 54 mm 2-in-1 Tamper Distributor, black, compatible with 54 mm Breville portafilters, double-sided, adjustable depth, beautiful Espresso Hand Tampers, black, about this item. Compatible with 54 mm Breville portafilters, 53.3 mm precision base designed to work with the tapered Breville 54 mm portafiler baskets, including the Barista Express, Barista Express Impress, Barista Pro, Barista Touch Impress, Bambino, Bambino Plus, Infuser and Duotemp Pro. Consistent shots every time. Leveling your grounds before tamping creates a uniform and consistent tamp. Adjustable depth. Set your desired tamping depth for consistent tamping pressure every time. Family owned. As a small family owned business, we're passionate about our products. We care deeply about the community we're building and would love for you to be a part of it. Heavy-duty aluminum sleeves and heavy 304 stainless steel base, 1 lb 3-ounce total weight. Distributor/leveler and tamper in one. Number 3. Icape 53.3 mm Espresso Tamper, premium barista coffee tamper with calibrated spring-loaded, 100% flat stainless steel base tamper. Fits for Breville Series 54 mm portafilter basket. About this item, your espresso deserves better. Are you tired of unbalanced coffee flavors due to uneven ground coffee? Now, for the perfectionist who wants a great espresso, you can simply use our Icape retractable tamper to create the best flavored espresso. It ensures that the ground coffee in your bottomless, naked portafilter handle is thoroughly compacted for even and consistent pressure every time, so let your espresso coffee be better. Sturdy tamper tool for baristas. We use the highest quality, 100% food-safe grade stainless steel for our tamper bases. Compared to other cheaper tamper machines, this tampered stainless steel base gives you peace of mind when making espresso. This stainless steel handle is durable and the rust-proof design ensures your diet is healthy. Please be carefully. For a 53 or 54 mm portafilter, you need to choose 53 mm calibrated tamper. Patent, US, No. 29854604. 53 mm calibrated tamper does not fit. 54 mm saves the Bambino basket, great for professional baristas. Once you taste tamped espresso from your own coffee maker, you'll forget about your local coffee shop and fall in love with hand-brewed coffee. This is the highest quality tamper to date. With this tamper, the coffee gets consistent distribution and pressure every time. Eliminating the key variables in making espresso and achieving even extraction, it will be your go-to espresso best accessory. Consistent concentric ring coffee surface. This calibrated tamper provides over 30 pounds of optimal mashing power. By using this espresso tamper, you will get a flat concentric ring pattern in your portafilter. Numerous tests have shown that a concentric ring-ground espresso coffee surface obtained at 30 IB strength produces a better quality espresso. Number 2. 53mm Coffee Distributor Tamper, dual-head coffee leveler compatible with Breville 54mm portafilter, adjustable depth professional espresso hand tampers. About this item: 53mm adjustable distributor tamper 53mm base designed to be compatible with Breville 54mm portafilter baskets, including the Barista Express, Pro, Touch, Bambino Plus, Infuser and Duotemp Pro. Consistent brew, get consistent distribution and pressure every time, making it easy to pull your perfect shot right at home. Leveling your grounds before tamping creates a uniform and consistent tamp. Adjustable depth, set your desired tamping depth for consistent tamping pressure every time. Dual head distributor / leveler and tamper are designed in one, double sides are available. Pro tips: ensure your portafilter basket is fully dosed with coffee grinds to get the right amount of pressure from the tamper for a tighter pack and richer flavor. Number 1. Lavazza Super Crema Whole Bean Coffee Blend, Light Medium Espresso Roast, 2.2 pound, pack of 1, premium quality, aromatic, mild and creamy. About this item: 1 bag of 2.2 pounds Lavazza Super Crema Whole Bean Coffee Blend, roast, light/medium, taste, mild and creamy, aromatic notes, hazelnut and brown sugar, blend, 60% Arabica and 40% Robusta, best used in espresso machine, contains only coffee. Number 1. Normcore V4 Coffee Tamper 53.3mm Spring-Loaded Tamper, Barista Espresso Tamper with 15 pounds/25 pounds/30 pounds replacement springs, anodized aluminum handle and stand, flat base. About this item: why Normcore Spring-Loaded Tamper? Whether you are a novice or an experienced barista, it is always a challenge when it comes to coffee tamping. Traditional coffee tampers are prone to skew or oversampling, may even ruin a perfect shot. Over time, it also causes a strain injury. With Normcore's spring-loaded tamper that features an ingenious leveling guide, we know it can solve these problems well. Upgraded features from V3, this V4 tamper has further improved on the central shaft design. Also, the interchangeable springs, 15 lb/25 lb/30 pounds, are now applicable to the central shaft, which provides pressure directly to the coffee grounds. Fits 54mm Breville portafilters, designed to fit 54mm Breville portafilters which are tapered. Suitable Breville/Sage models including the Barista Express, Pro, Touch, Bambino Plus, Infuser, and Duotemp Pro. Unique design: the Normcore coffee tamper is made of a 304 stainless steel base with anodized aluminum handle. Our coffee tamper is spring-loaded and does not require additional adjustments. It has an ergonomic handle with a comfortable grip that allows you to push ground coffee easily. Consistent pressure: the amount of pressure you apply is simply controlled by a spring inside the tamper itself. Moreover, it comes with 3 interchangeable springs to suit your preference. This is the perfect tamper for both aspiring home baristas and busy cafes.